Good morning. So sterling held near multi-week highs as Iran and Oman get close to a deal. The US sold off euros without telling the ECB, and CPI is due out from the US tomorrow. It's Tuesday the 11th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, as you know, it's been a bit hot in the UK for a while. Indeed, the heat wave cost the UK economy an estimated £1.15 billion in June. However, we have now reached the point where more than 75% of the UK is officially in drought, and some experts are concerned that food security implications may run into next year. We have Q2 GDP on Thursday. Despite the hit from the heat wave, economists still forecast about 0.4% quarterly growth. There are downside risks to the growth figures as we go forward. Now that the World Cup is over, any additional spending may well be limited to the hot weather. And you can't prop up an economy with mini magnums. Iran has been on. They are nearing a deal with Oman over shipping lanes in the Strait of Hormuz. Sterling held near multi-week highs on the back of that one, but we'll see how that plays out because Iran claimed that the US must meet other conditions first. Over in the US, much is being made of the unemployment rate. Friday's employment data reported 4.1%, which dipped below the Fed's estimate of full employment at 4.2%. 4.2% is seen as the neutral rate, which neither fuels nor cools inflation. The headline payrolls data was dramatic enough as a miss, but that fall in unemployment complicates the picture by increasing the underlying inflationary pressure. So naturally, Kevin Hassett thought it was a good time to jump on the bandwagon and call for rate cuts. But maybe tomorrow's CPI data will fuel that debate. The administration sold off a bunch of euros to prop up the yen. They wanted to thwart a Japanese bond sell-off, but avoid the risk of stoking inflation if they'd sold dollars. However, according to the FT, they chose not to inform the ECB ahead of time. That would be the first time in history that Washington sold an allied currency without notifying the relevant central bank. How rude. Classic Trump though, right? In the market, cable kicks off around 135.05. We have drifted slightly higher against the euro this morning and we're around 117.05. And euro dollar is drifting downwards, trading around 115.35 on the open this morning. So that's it from me. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.